an end to unity. After Second World War, British government decided to divide India. As a result, it sent a cabinet mission to India in March 1946, consisting of 3 British cabinet ministers. The agenda of cabinet mission is to discuss the transfer of power from the British government to Indian leadership with aim of preserving India's unity. After discussions with the Congress and Muslim League, Cabinet Mission proposes a formula which is against the partition of country. What is its plan? So the Cabinet's mission plan. It proposed a system for India with 3 tiers: the center, the provinces, and the provincial groupings. The central government will deal only with the defense, foreign affairs, and communication. The other portfolios will be under control of provinces. It categorized the states into A, B, and C categories. A group consists of Hindu majority states, B group consists of Muslim majority states like Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and C group consists of Muslim majority state Bengal and Hindu majority state Assam. Next, both the parties accepted the formula of cabinet mission, but circumstances changed very fast. British plans and Jinnah's words made Congress to rethink its decision. Later, Jinnah, in a Muslim League meeting, said that formation of Pakistan is guaranteed and we are going in that direction. On the other hand, even after independence, British government is planning to control India with a weak central government in India. So Congress thought that there is also a chance that states can form groups on the basis of religion. So Nehru rejected the idea that provinces would be obliged to join a group and stated that the Congress was neither bound nor committed to the plan. Eventually, Muslim League rescinded its previous approval of plan. This way, cabinet mission was a failure. Jinnah called on for direct action, which gave rise to religious fights and thousands of deaths, especially in Bengal. So on 6th January 1947, Congress committee agreed for partition of the country.